Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I would like to say thank you to Madam Siti Noain for your time to listen for our presentation today. So for our group project title is Applying Fly Ash and Lime Sludge as Stabilizers to Improve the Characteristic of Soils. So this is the group members of Group 6. Let's start with myself. My name is Zafirah Binti Zaini, metric number AA200444. Next, Yee Shin with metric number AA201188. Nadiah Binti Ahmad Razib, metric number AA200002. Then Nurul Rozaireen Binti Zakeria, metric number AA200042. And lastly, Syazwani Binti Shamsul Bahri with metric number AA200704.
Hi, my name is Yee Shin. Clay is a sweeping soil that complicates the design and construction of structural building projects. Different soil adjustment and alteration procedures can affect the soil qualities. In this study, fly ash and lime sludge were used as stabilizer to explore the impact of this mixture on soil characteristics. The objective of this study is to determine the effect of fly ash and lime sludge on various properties of soils such as compaction of soil, strength properties of soil, and soil performance on subgrade.
Hi, my name is Nadiah Binti Ahmad Razib. My matrix number is AA200002. I would like to present my part, which is literature review. For the first one is group 2015 has made an effort to improve the soil using fly faces and rice husk scrap. The soil swell record drastically lowered. Next is Endoven and Ready 2018 conducted research of the stabilization of soil using limestone. The experiment examined mixing marble and limestone dust with soil from black cotton plants. It was found that the geotechnical properties of the soil were enhanced by the addition of marble and limestone dust. Next, in order to stabilize soft clay from Southern Spain, Pasteur 2019 investigate the usage of limestone powder. According to the investigation's findings, adding limestone to the soil stabilized it and increased its strength while decreasing its tendency to distort.
For the methodology, this is the overall research flow of this study, in which this research is aimed to determine the effects of fly ash and lime sludge on various properties of soil such as compaction and strength properties of soil. The flow will start with sample preparation, where the different soil samples were taken from mountainous regions considering their various properties. Then the soil classification is conducted, where the sample were tested for their consistency limits in order to find their plasticity index. In addition, the sample were also tested for specific gravity tests. Next, the mixing process was done with the appropriate soil samples selected and mixed with the various amount of fly ash and lime sludge. Then, first testing. The soil admixture specimen were subjected to a number of tests, including direct shear test, CBR, and compaction testing. For the second test, after the series of tests were conducted on the standard soil, the same procedure was repeated for the soil, but replaced by different percentage of admixture. This experiment ended with the optimal values of fly ash and lime sludge were obtained, which correspond to the maximum strength of the soil admixture mix.
For results and discussions, the percentages of OMC and MDD have changed as a result of replacing the clay soil with fly ash and lime sludge, as seen by the variance of OMC and MDD. Additionally, when lime sludge was added to the soil that had already been stabilized with fly ash, the CBR result improved. While it grew by 1.4 times in the unsoaked sample, it increased by 1.53 times in the soaked sample. Furthermore, when lime sludge was added to the soil that had already been stabilized with fly ash, the shear strength increases by 1.12 times. After adding lime sludge, there was a noticeable rise in shear strength of up to 10%, which afterwards decreased. The rise in internal friction angle, which also increases shear strength, is what causes this behavior. Later, the strength was diminished as a result of the soil particles' reduced ability to adhere to one another when lime sludge is added in excess of a particular amount.
Assalamualaikum and hi, I am Syazwani Binti Shamsul Bahri with number matrix AA200704. Based on the results, with the addition of fly ash, lime sludge, it is discovered that the compaction parameters are changed. It is discovered also that the admixtures change the CBR percentages and the shear strength characteristic. So clearly, we can see the both soaked and unsoaked sample prove that the CBR value were also rising. Next, comparing the data reveals a clear increase in soil strength, so that suggesting this admixture will have a beneficial effect on clay soil. Due to unique characteristic, clay soil is the least suitable for construction. So here is some recommendation that can use in future works. Firstly, try replacing clay soil with admixture to strengthen the stability. Besides that, put a suitable weight ratio or density to the clay soil. Lastly, increase confining pressure for clay soil. Lastly, the list shows the reference that we use for this project. So that's all from us. Thank you.